Hey guys, Vern, jack of all trades, master of none. Did you notice all of a sudden that you have a lot of ants inside the property and you're not sure what to do? Well, I'm going to show you what works. It's called Terro liquid ant bait. Okay? So go ahead and get you some of this stuff and this will take care of that problem for you. That's guaranteed. I'm not a sponsor of this product, but I'm letting you know what works for me. Here's a little quick video on my after effects. Before, it was just a lot of ants. I don't have the video on that, but they were all over the place. But you can see as I put down the bait, and they started going into it, and then afterwards they were all gone. Thanks for watching the video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, give me a quick subscription to the channel, and this will help take care of your problem, that's for sure. Okay guys, as you can see here, the after effects after the liquid ant bait's been put down, they're all gone. The problem's solved, just as I promised. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All right, please take the time to feed what's feeding you. I appreciate that. Hey, I'll see you all on the next video.